First, let's address the market opening in terms of benchmark indices. We've started with a shade of red. This could be a little bit of follow-up from where we left on Friday, largely technical in nature. 15 points up for the Nifty and for the Sensex. The first rates are on your screen. 52 points up for the Sensex. Let's first address key groups and then we'll look at some individual stocks which have come out with numbers over the weekend. You want to start with heavyweights, which is ITC, Reliance, and then Infosys Technologies. Three stocks which have a 25% representation on the Sensex and on the Nifty. Reliance is sub 700 rupees. Infosys, weakness in rupee, good news for Infosys. 698 for Reliance and 23 rupees up for Infosys. And third, let's check in on ITC. ITC now enjoys the crown of India's most or a company which has the most highest weightage on the Sensex and on the Nifty. Now let's address some companies and some numbers which came out over the weekend. So you want to start with first large cap and mid cap names. Divi's, they came out with excellent set of numbers. In a tough environment, they have managed to report a strong expansion in operating profit margins, and profits have shot up from 175 to 217. Markets are reacting to those numbers. I would say flat set of numbers from Thermax. Markets are aware of the fact that it is going to be a challenging environment, or it's a challenging environment for some of the machinery companies. Thermax, 432, even though numbers are bad, stock is up because in the near term it is about expectation management, and markets have very limited, almost zero expectations from any of the machinery companies. L&T is also due to declare numbers today, followed by JSW Steel and Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland is important because Ashok Leyland is a high beta stock. JSW Steel is at 617 rupees, followed by Ashok Leyland, which is at 26.5. So if it was summarize the market mood, I would say we are in line with global markets. And do look at the box. Nifty futures 10 days ago were trading at a fat premium of about 20 points. The premium has contracted and discount has surfaced up. And now Nifty futures are trading at a 9-point discount. Ambir?
Let's start off with the broader market picture, the market breadth, which is reflecting stock-specific activity, and of course small cap and the mid-cap indices, as you can see, slightly favoring the advances at this juncture. Some stocks, SR Oil starts off the day on a weak note, so down 2% plus on that count. In fact, 4% plus, 49.65 coming in there. Bombay Dyeing is the other one. Remember, we highlighted the stock before opening, and 5.5% down as they have to hand over the land parcel to Mahada and the BMC. Divi's Labs, as Nikunj pointed out, holding up after a decent set of numbers. You have the entire fertilizer space. In fact, Divi's Labs has picked up 4.5%. You have the entire fertilizer space, which is active. So bring up a couple of the key fertilizer stocks in the session. This Chambal Fertilizers, National Fertilizers, all of these counters are trading with a positive bias. The other one which is holding up, and that was discussed pre-open, is Lupin. That one is up about 1.5%. You're looking at some more volume trades in the session. TDML, which is up about 1%, not so much supported by volumes, but there is some activity there. Titan has opened higher. There's a Power Finance Corporation, PFC, which is showing some traction. Some of the mid-tier banking names, and then IndusInd Bank, a Union Bank of India. These are stocks which are holding up. These are very, very initial trades, so once they settle in, you will see more directional move. But suffice to say that there is activity in the fertilizer space backed by volumes in the session. For Chambal Fertilizers, you've done about 2 lakh shares in just the opening. The stock is up about 4%. Bajaj Finserv has had a positive opening as well. And some of the other mid-tier names in a City Union Bank, even a Geometric for that matter. Remember, we discussed that stock with Rajan. That one has opened higher by about 1.5%.